I'm Huatong Sun. I'm associate professor at University of Washington, Tacoma with the Global Innovation and Design Lab. I originally come from China, and I research how to design and innovate in this globalized world to bridge cultural differences. For the workshop, pre-conference workshop course that is about engaging cultural difference for empowering design, I want participants to see that, to get to know cultural difference actually are dynamic, relational, and emergent. And they see difference not as something deficit, not as a problem. Actually, cultural differences and the differences generally can be used as design resources. So here, this is the inclusive design toolkit developed by Microsoft. And we can see that if we have this interactional view of differences, and there's more opportunity for us to do the design for inclusivity and equity, and also for business opportunities. So think about that. If we see difference just as something, unchanging, then you just maybe see that vision impairment as something that will never change, that as a predicament. But if we see this kind of visual impairment actually as a difference that is very relational, then we can see we can actually include more user population in this spectrum. So we can include users who have temporary visual impairment. As they wait for recovering from eye surgery. And we have users who are suffering situational visual impairment, just like everyone. That when you walk in the sunshine, the glaring will make you suddenly blind. So if we put differences as something interactional, relational, emergent, we can see this open more opportunities. I'm a book author with 2 books. In addition to global social media design, I also published cross-cultural technology design a few years ago, back in 2012. So in my spare time, I like reading, writing, and hiking. And one of my summer projects is that I hope to be able to learn to identify plants and wildflowers in Pacific Northwest region. So when we see each other at the end of summer, I hope I will be able to know more than what I know now.